Hi guys, welcome back to this another MBA podcast. मेरे साथ है दीक्षा एंड शी इज़ अ फ्रेशर बाय द वे बट इनकी सैलरी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई लेवल पे लगी है. क्या डिस्क्लोज करें, सैलरी बताएं या फिर कंपनी का नाम बताएं, क्या बताएं?
कंपनी.
कंपनी का नाम बता दें. शी इज़ गॉट प्लेस्ड इन मारुति सुजुकी एंड शी इज़ गॉट ग्रेट इंटरेस्ट इन ऑटोमोटिव में. उनको यही कह रहा था कि यार थोड़ा सा ऑफ लगा बिकॉज बिंग अ गर्ल यू लाइक सो मच इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑटोमोटिव. तो उनके फ्रेंड्स भी कह रहे थे कि नहीं यार इसको ऑटोमोटिव में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. पैकेज की अगर मैं रेंज बताऊँ, आई थिंक यू कैन कीप इट लाइक SMHRD का एवरेज के क्लोज बाय हुआ है. न्यू एम्स से भी बेटर है. बट आई एम रियली सरप्राइज, और अ फ्रेशर.
Yeah.
5-6 महीने ही काम किया था, मतलब वो फ्रेशर ही है वैसे देखा जाए तो. वाई वुड यू जंप इनटू MBA सो अर्ली?
Because I think for the better job role, better salary expectations, MBA is a perfect thing to do.
थोड़ा लाउड बोलना बिकॉज वी आर इन लाइब्रेरी, आप देख सकते हो तो आप
Yeah.
बात करो थोड़ा लाउडली. हाँ,
हाँ, तो for the better job role, for the better salary expectations, I think MBA is one of the.
MBA के पहले कितनी सैलरी थी?
MBA के पहले तो
आई मीन
like an average IT person would earn up to 5 lakhs, I think. Nearly
4 से लेके 5 के
4
बीच
से लेके
में,
5 तक.
मतलब 5x हो गया.
Yeah.
तो ROI भी निकल गया तुम्हारा.
Yes.
Cool है. Coming to the main point कि why would you not work for like 2.5 or 3 years and then opt Wellinger immediately right after 6 months का time period, because I think that would have been a better option कि
Yeah.
दो ढाई साल काम करके फिर आ जाए तो.
So realistically speaking, I would say that if I would have worked at the same job role at the same salary,
हाँ.
तो 2 साल में भी इतना stretch नहीं हो पाता जितना MBA करके and gaining all the exposure, all the knowledge here, I could have landed a better job. तो एक वो वाला factor fulfill हो गया. Plus I gave CMAT, so I scored a decent percentile, so I got
आपका
admission
CAT का
here.
परसेंटाइल क्या था?
In 80s.
She was in 80s in CAT
Yeah,
and CMAT में 98.9.
98.9.
Perfect है. Okay, continue.
So I got a call from Wellinger that I'm eligible for the flagship program here, and it is known for marketing since I want to pursue marketing and in my masters. तो मेरे हिसाब से वो perfect opportunity at the perfect time I got, so I came here कि MBA कर लेते उसके बाद directly जाएंगे job में.
Okay, and yours is B2B basically.
Yeah.
It's not B2C, it's a B2B
No,
marketing.
yeah, it's a B2B
अच्छा, मतलब
marketing.
business to business. Again,
Yes.
it's a pretty good role. Okay, tell me what all stuff did you do right way because of which you made it to this kind of a package, because package is really good, right?
Yeah.
तो आपने कुछ तो ऐसा आपके resume में किया होगा जिसकी वजह से आपको वो help हुआ होगा. So I wanted to tell us कि you know how I started my first year. मैंने अपने resume पे क्या क्या चीजें add on करी
Yeah.
जिसकी वजह से I got into you know Maruti Suzuki, and what these students can do when they venture into their MBA.
So basically, I had a leverage over other candidates because in my TCS, my client was also an automotive giant. So that was the leverage that I had because I have worked with them. I know many of the technologies. I know what the industry is all about. Plus, my interest is also there in the industry. So I know the ongoing trends, what is the upcoming different things which are coming in the Indian market. So that sort of a thing. Telling ki how to build a resume, I would say ki you have to work for the placement season start in September. So आपको जुलाई अगस्त से ही चालू करना पड़ता है कि you have to do certain courses, certification courses. You have to be thorough with the study कि क्या चल रहा है industry में, what are the trends, plus all those things. Along with that, I think कुछ चीज़ें जो आपको MBA में पढ़ाई जाती है, मार्केटिंग के कुछ फ्रेमवर्क्स होते हैं, कैसे आप रियल लाइफ में उसको लगाओगे, all the case studies, all those things. So I did that also. Plus the support from my friends and mentors was also there because they were always there to help me out with what's the ongoing things. So pretty much I think you have to be updated at every point. You should know what is happening in the industry because they ask in the interviews all those questions, how you can relate your academic concepts in the real life and how you can solve their business problem.
But were you confident that being a fresher and you know such a big company with a big package, were you confident कि मेरा हो जाएगा करके इस कंपनी में इंटरव्यू में क्रैक कर ही लूंगी?
Yes, I was
Okay.
confident.
And what made you confident about that?
My interest basically because I know most of the stuff. I would say कि लड़कों से ज़्यादा मुझे पता था वहाँ पे कि क्या होता है, क्या है. So they were because for the Maruti it was a pool campus. We have students from KJ as well. So from our college there were like 12 students. From KJ there were like 7 to 8 students. So I was pretty much confident. My research
And how many got selected?
2 from our college, 2 from KJ. So total they pick I think from 20-25 students. They chose only 4. और उसके पहले भी जब apply करा था तो they were having a test. So you have to clear the test. Then you have to.
Who is it?
Yes. So
Okay.
the test was really tough.
क्या था, एप्टीट्यूड था,
It
कैट
was,
टाइप या फिर
uh,
ऑटोमोटिव टाइप था?
आई वुड से कि कैट का जो LR आता है,
हाँ।
जितना लेवल का वो केसलेट्स होते हैं,
Okay.
तो वो सब था.
ओके
तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए एडवांस में. एप्टीट्यूड इज वन ऑफ द थिंग दैट मेनी कंपनीज आस्क्ड, सो यू हैव टू रियली प्रिपेयर फॉर द एप्टीट्यूड. इट्स नॉट कि कैट में कर दिया तो अब नहीं है,
हाँ
आपको कंपनीज में करना पड़ता है वो. तो यू द टेस्ट वाज बेसिकली फिल्टर था जिसमें सब लोग अप्लाई कर सकते थे, ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल द फील्ड्स एवरीवन अप्लाइड. सो टेस्ट वाज द मेजर filter there because from the test they shortlisted like from 400 people they came down to 12 people.
ओके
So test was because it was a tough test. It was not so easy.
Tell me more about your role, if you know or if you have any idea about what's going to be your role, who's going to be your reporting manager, and at what level you will be at Maruti Suzuki. Is it going to be starting level, mid level, upper mid level ka lower level? Where do you place yourself?
So actually, I'm not much clear about the role yet. But what
Obviously.
I know, it is a upper mid level
Okay.
of the entry that I got there. So I'll be reporting to I think the zonal head of
Wow.
Maruti.
That's a big deal.
Yeah. So I'll not be dealing directly with the customers. I'll have a team of people under me will be working. But of course, my role would be they would be asking much more efforts from my side.
Actually, a lot of people do look out for team management after
Yeah.
they write MBA because that's what MBA is called
Yes.
as. But then there are a lot of individual roles also which are cut. But I'm happy for you that you got into a team management sort of role.
Yeah.
Okay, how is marketing in Wellinger? If you can, and did you leave any other B school for Wellinger?
Yes, I left TAPME.
Okay, that was the only one.
Yeah, TAPME, and
Acha.
other than that, for my CMAT, I applied for JB and Sedna, but I didn't got that.
हाँ,
तो Wellinger
तो वो
was
नहीं
the
छोड़ के
best.
ना फिर।
हाँ, तो फिर
सिडनी में फिर भी मान लो पर बजाज तो ठीक है, cool है,
एक
cool है.
वो था.
Alright, so tell us a little bit about marketing in Wellinger.
I think Wellinger is known for the marketing.
But why it's known for marketing? That's what I want to know.
Because you know the people who are there to teach us, they're literally the experienced guys. They are the big shots who have been working with the corporate for a longer amount of time, and I would talk about the dean of marketing. Like he got some of the great knowledge, and you will not see the person like him for the first trimester when we came here, and he came to take the first class. So we were like awestruck that okay, that kind of people also exist. So the amount of knowledge and the practical examples and the experiences they tell us about the corporate life, and so as to help students understand better the concepts, and they can literally apply and how they have applied it in the real life. So I think that sort of knowledge you can only get in few of the institution. Along with that, I think we have got certain GCL projects like the life projects. So in GCL, like there's a real business involved, the real money is involved, and the people come to us and they give us the project as the business problem, and we deal with that for like 2 trimesters. We have trimester is nearly 4 to 6 months. So 4 to 6 months we work on that project. After that we go into the internship, which is also which is a very smooth transition because we are accustomed to working with the corporate real life problems, and then we transition to the internship, then the job
So
thing
GCL
happens.
में basically आपके पास companies approach करते हैं and then they
Yeah.
give you their real problem.
Yes, the real
Okay, so it's
problem.
not a paper-based case study as
Yes.
such, it's a real problem.
It's the real startups, the companies, the real problem statements. So that is one of the, I think, it's the USP of Wellinger, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, so there are a lot of people now,
Yes.
right? You know, they are gunning for colleges. It can be
Yeah.
Wellinger, it can be any other
Yeah.
college access, right? Market is tight,
Yeah.
right? GDP का भी slow down हो चुका है. You know, stock market भी थोड़ा सा red हो चुका है. थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो चुका है. So now people are in a dilemma.
Yeah.
कि भाई अभी जाना तो है मुझे MBA में, but MBA में जाके अच्छा placement भी लेना है, right? You have nailed it like pro, no doubt about it. What sort of advice, tips and tricks you want to tell them, apart from joining Wellinger, of course,
Yeah.
that they should be following from now onwards to get a good placement?
I think for the good placement, all you have to do is you have to be academically sound. You should
Oh,
be.
is it? Nah.
Yes. I think
Acads कौन करते हैं MBA में? Come on.
academically, I mean.
I'm just kidding, by the way. I'm being sarcastic. Acads is very important.
Yeah, academically you have to be sound because many companies shortlist your resume on the basis of your acads. They have a filter of like 80% in your throughout your school and the graduation level. Further, I would say कि in MBA आपको जो शुरू में पढ़ाया जाता है concept, the frameworks in the first year, that is very useful because you have to literally apply in the real life scenarios that they
If
give
you apply.
if you apply
If you apply.
या
हाँ.
तो वो एक आपका मेजर फैक्टर रहता है और आपको ये सब चीज़ें मतलब इट शुड बी ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स बिकॉज दे
Right.
आस्क एंड यू हैव टू कनेक्ट इट कि हाँ ये मैंने पढ़ा था तो क्या ये इससे कनेक्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई वुड से दैट यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड यू हैव टू बी डिलीजेंट एंड यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ कंसिस्टेंसी कि हम प्लेसमेंट आने पे ही नहीं पढ़ेंगे पहले से ही हम लोग को चालू करना चाहिए
Did you do any sort of certifications in the first year, second year? कुछ add on अपने resume पे कुछ करा था आपने?
Yes, so
Okay.
I did the data visualization certificates of Power BI and Tableau.
Nice.
Along with that, the college also provides the Harvard Mentor course, which
Oh, is
have
it?
yes, so
Okay.
which have like so it's a tie-up of our college with the Harvard. So they have like tons of certification courses for free for us. So we have to do it, and I think that adds value to your resume if you
Perfect.
mention it. Further,
Perfect.
I
Go
think
ahead.
KPMG or Bloomberg also provide certain certification courses, which can also it puts some weightage on a resume when the company sees it.
But you were clear कि first year से मुझे
Yes.
उस तरफ चलना है, resume build करके, and then
Yes.
final जब आएगा मेरा placement, I'll be up for it.
Yeah.
Cool यार Diksha, thank you so very much for giving some time. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
And guys, thank you so much for watching this video.